watching Let's Chat.
Welcome back and good morning. We told you a few moments ago, Erlanger presenting a huge back-to-school bash. So what's that got to do with me holding a backpack? I'm not sure either, but we're going to find out from folks who do know. Summer Elliott is the Community Outreach Manager. Summer, good to see you.
Hello.
And we have Aaron Wagner, who is the Practice Manager. So good morning to you both.
Good morning.
All right, why am I holding a backpack? Tell us where the backpacks come into play on this.
Yes, so of course, I'm with Erlanger Community Health Center, and this Saturday, July 30th, from 11 to 2, we're having our annual Back to School Bash.
This gets bigger and better every year, it seems like. How many people are you anticipating for the Back to School Bash this year? Any rough idea?
Yes, so we are wanting to serve about 200 children and families.
Wow, good for you. Good for you. And Aaron, next question for you. You're wanting to serve about 200 children and their families. How?
How? Well, we have a lot of different services that will be available. We'll be offering primary care services. So some of the children will be able to get sports physicals or needed immunizations.
Right.
We're going to have giveaways, school supplies, backpacks, and we'll have a number of vendors. We have box lunches that will be available. So there's a lot of different things available to help serve the community.
It seems like ever since COVID has popped up, the importance of back-to-school physicals, back-to-school immunizations, and back-to-school updated, accurate medical records is kind of, I won't say fallen by the wayside, but it's kind of taken a back seat.
Yeah.
You're here to make sure that this gets kicked up to the front of the line.
Yes, we are, and as Aaron mentioned, this event is open to the public, so you don't have to be a patient of ours. You can show up the day of. So we are pushing well-child exams, immunizations, and also, more importantly, like you mentioned, we are in a very interesting time, and so it's so important that we all come together in the community and make sure that our children are school ready.
Aaron, how many medical professionals are you guys going to have on hand this Saturday?
There'll be around 10, if I'm not mistaken. We'll have pediatric providers, and we also offer in the community health centers, we offer dental services, primary care services. So we're going to have representation from our pediatrics department. We also have women's health care. So we take care of patients from birth to geriatric patients.
Is this going to be at one centralized location? You're going to have it spread around the community or what?
Yes, so it's going to be at our main location, which is 1200 Dotson Avenue.
Right.
And again, I can't stress it enough, we're super excited. Not only are we going to have those school supplies and backpacks, but we're going to have school uniforms. Also, we're going to be able to do free haircuts.
Wow.
The Chattanooga Zoo will be there with some awesome animals and artifacts. So it's going to be a fun event, as well as making sure that we're all prepared and
free
ready
haircuts.
for school.
Mark Warren, you and I got a date this Saturday. We'll go get a haircut. This is an incredible thing that Erlanger is doing for the community. Get out and show their appreciation, show your appreciation for Erlanger and what they are doing. I'm assuming you have room for some volunteers, or if folks want to make a donation to help offset the cost, all they have to do is get in touch with one of the two of you, and you can make that happen for them, right?
Yes.
All right, sounds good. Summer, Aaron, thanks so much for joining us. You can find out more by checking out the website, erlanger.org. That's erlanger.org. The one, the only, Mark Warren from the one, the only Warren and Griffin, straight ahead here on Let's Chat.